Hello guys, if you stay with me for the next 30 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can buy Tesla for $16,500. You might be wondering, what the hell are you on about? Look at the prices here, it's $57,990. Well, 3090 used to cost $2,000 as well, but I told people how to get it for free. Well, it did cost a few bob, but that's it. So let me first show you how I did that, and then I'm going to show you how you can buy Tesla for only $16,500 right now. Okay, let's go back to my channel. Look at this video I made here. So I said let me just click on this. First of all, I want to show you the ratio of likes versus dislikes. So I got 30.3% of likes versus whatever the others. So 140 dislikes and 61 likes. Nobody believed me. I said, get 3 RTX 3090s for free if you watch this now. Okay, let's watch the video. There's the description here. And if we go here and watch the video, the first thing I said was, this is not a joke. But you can see all the haters here in the comments. I'm going to put the link to this video below so you guys can read all the comments. They were all laughing at me, okay? Well, let me show you what happened afterward. This was done on the, well, it says a year ago. If I hover over, it should tell me. So this was done on the 29th of December 2020. And nobody believed me. You can see the likes to dislikes ratio. I actually had to pay people to watch this video, 2.7 thousand. I was trying to get to, I think, 1,000 subscribers by doing this. You know, surely people are going to want to subscribe to get $5,000 for free. Well, no, they didn't. I got 97 subscribers. I don't even know. Anyway, nobody believed me. So that's why you guys want to stick around, because I have another one of these for you. It's a huge opportunity. It comes around once every 4 years. That's it. And it's happening right now. So if you stick around, you're going to love it. If you walk away, you're going to regret it. But anyway, don't walk away. Okay, just stay here. So the links below, descriptions below, read them, watch them, check everything for yourself. Okay, so what this was essentially was an airdrop. So all you had to do was use a DeFi platform and you got an airdrop of their tokens. How much were those tokens worth? Well, let's have a look. Here's an article. So if you use this particular platform, and you just deposited money, you did nothing else, that was cheap, you got 310 tokens. Okay, each token at launch was worth $10, so that was $3,100 just for depositing. If you did a single trade, if you did $1 to $10K in trade, you got 1,163 tokens. Multiply that by 10. How much is that, guys? I actually under promised. Well, I did that intentionally because I don't want to disappoint people. I want to give them the bare minimum. Okay, so this is going to be another one of those things. So that was $11,630 if you did this once. But if you did it 10 times like I told you, that was $110,000. Okay, so pay attention, don't walk away. A lot of people, they see the first little bit, they don't believe me, it's too good to be true. It's not. It's just an amazing, if you find your way to this video somehow, congratulations, you're just going to get an amazing piece of information. Okay, it's this article here. I'm going to have this link below and you can do your Google search and verify it. With DYDX protocol, you can see my video, you can go through my channel, verify everything, read all the comments, all you want. I'm going to give you this information 100% for free. The only thing I ask of you is, just like the last time, if you like it, if you agree, if you're happy about the information I'm giving you, just hit the like button, not the dislike one. Okay, you don't want to be the loser here. Hit the like button. I mean, you could do the dislike if you want, that's fine. But do something, okay? Don't just walk away. Do something. Just give me your feedback. Do you like this or do you not like this? And the other thing is subscribe. All right? I want to get a few subscribers. That's it. But I'm going to give you a Tesla for 15,000. This is not going to be free. Okay, you're going to need 15,000. Sorry, I keep saying 15,000, $16,500 right now. If you do this right now, it could get a lot more expensive in the future if you don't do this right now. So don't walk away here. This is going to be a huge opportunity. You want a Tesla? You don't have $60,000 for the base model? Okay, here's your chance to get one. I'm going to show you the price of this token. So this is the DYDX. It came out at $10. It came out at about 12, then went down to 10, and then all the way up to 20. So if you held, you doubled your money. Okay, and then it slowly bled out like all the other crypto stuff. Okay, but this came out at, what day is this here? So the 13th. The 8th of September 2021. So I told you this a year in advance. You had plenty of time to do this. 100 times if you wanted to. Get a million, potentially. But anyway, let's not get carried away. Let's stay in the realm of reality. Okay, the only place where you can get a ridiculous amount of money, like really stupidly simply, is crypto. Okay, you may hate crypto, you may not like crypto, you may think it's the dumbest thing in the world ever, but it's the only place where you're going to get ridiculous amount of return for like ridiculous amount of little of investment. Okay, so here's your chance to get a Tesla for $16,500. It's coming up right now. Okay, you still with me? Okay, here we go. This is it. What is it? It's the price of a single Bitcoin. single Bitcoin right now costs 16,000. Well, it's actually gone down a little bit. The FOMC meeting minutes just came out, so we had a little bit of a bump, a little bit of a dump. So, hey, guys, the price is getting better. $16,400. Buy one Bitcoin today. Wait 2 years. In 2024, sorry, 2024, around April time, there's going to be a halving. After the halving, the price goes up. It has done every single time before. It's going to do it again. All right. So just be patient. You put this money into a single Bitcoin, you lock it up, and you wait 2 years. Okay. And you just gotta hold on. Okay. It's only 2 years, guys. And the price is going to go up back to all-time high eventually. So if we just zoom out, let's change the interval here to 3 days, and you guys can see, let's turn on auto, and Bitcoin used to trade at $67,633. It's going to get there back again one day. We don't know when, but we expect within the next 2-3 years we're going to be back up there somewhere. If you want to go get there faster, buy more Bitcoin. But if you only have enough to buy one, that's plenty of money. I'm just going to have to wait a little bit longer. All right, it's happened every time before. It's most likely going to happen again. But obviously there is a certain level of risk. However, the risk right now is more to the upside than it is to the downside. But you know, guys, don't sue me if you lose all your money. All right. This is obviously a little bit more risky than the previous idea, but it could be very lucrative. All right. So if you guys agree, remember, hit a like. If you disagree, hit a dislike and let me know in the comments below what kind of an idiot I am for suggesting this. Okay. And if you want more of these ideas, well, you know what to do. There's a subscribe button and the bell button. Hit both of those, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks very much.